Okay, you learned how promising long-term investing in crypto can be, but where do you start? When you're new to the cryptocurrency industry, it can be hard to figure out how to purchase your very first Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, and their tokens. Don't worry. We've got you. Following these 3 simple steps, you can invest in virtual currencies right today. Before we begin, welcome to Money Generator. Join our community for value-packed free content to enhance your journey to financial freedom. Check the timestamps in the video description to navigate yourself through the content. Let's get into it. While some coins, such as Bitcoin, can be purchased directly with US dollars, others need another cryptocurrency to be acquired. For example, there are many tokens under the name of Ethereum. In this case, first, you need to buy the main coin Ethereum to later transfer it to its tokens. Step number 1. Choose a broker or crypto exchange. Which one to choose? A. Cryptocurrency brokers simplify the process of buying crypto by providing simple interfaces that connect with exchanges on your behalf. Some demand rates which are higher than the exchanges. While brokers are unquestionably convenient, be careful. Some promise to be free, while making money by selling data about your and other users' trading activity to major brokerages or funds, or not executing your order at the best available market price. 2 of the most popular cryptocurrency brokers are Robinhood and Sophie. You must know that you may be limited from transferring your coin holdings off the platform if you utilize them. You can't withdraw your crypto assets from your account at Robinhood or Sophie, for example. Although this may not appear to be a big deal, professional crypto investors prefer to keep their money in crypto wallets for better safety. For even greater security, some people choose physical crypto wallets which are not connected to the internet. B. A cryptocurrency exchange is a marketplace for buyers and sellers to trade virtual currencies. Exchanges typically offer lower costs, but they also might have more complicated interfaces with several transaction varieties and advanced performance metrics, which could be confusing for beginner investors. 3 of the most well-known cryptocurrency exchanges are Coinbase, Gemini, and Binance. While the conventional trading interfaces of these platforms could be intimidating for newbies, especially for those with no prior experience with stocks trading, they also provide user-friendly easy buy opportunities. Step number 2. Create and verify your account. To create an account, you must first sign up. You fill in your name, email, phone number, address of residence, ID number, and date of birth. You may be required to prove your identity by a photo of a valid ID, confirmation of address, and perhaps even a selfie to match your documents. Requirements are depending on the platform and the amount you intend to purchase. It's a necessary factor in avoiding fraud and complying with federal rules. You might not be able to purchase or sell cryptos until the verification process is finished. Step number 3. Make your first crypto purchase. The last step is to make a transaction. Choose a payment option after deciding which cryptocurrency you want and how you'd like to buy. This is another phase where the procedure differs based on the platform you pick. Mostly all stockbrokers demand a bank or wire transfer deposit up front. Debit and credit cards are the most common payment methods. Check the available payment options and their processing costs before deciding how to pay. By using the most cost-effective payment option, you may save money on crypto trading expenses. Bank account transfers overall offer the lowest fees for virtual currency purchases. On the other hand, credit cards are usually never the best option. Buying cryptocurrency with a credit card can charge you an extra 7% or more due to additional costs. Let's make a quick summary. Analyze your cryptocurrency purchasing options and select the one that matches your requirements best. Crypto exchanges and stockbrokers are both popular choices. Set up a profile on the platform of your choice. Prepare to get your identification verified. Choose the coin you want to buy and proceed with the transaction. To receive the cheapest rates, it's generally wise to pay using a bank transfer. We hope you enjoyed the video and made a shortcut to purchasing your first virtual asset. If you're willing to learn, earning $5,203 per day online just asking people simple yes and no questions. Check the link in the description. Dive deeper into the topic of investment principles for financial freedom in our previous videos and YouTube Shorts summaries for a quick recap. See you in the next video.